Hi class, it's time to review for Bible. Follow along with me. Okay. How we got the Bible. That's the theme of everything we're learning in Bible class this semester. How did we get the Bible? Remember, the Bible came from God, and we lower our hands like this, like that. The Bible came from God. God showed his heart. Make a heart with your fingers. God showed his heart. There's our heart. To each author's mind. You see, that's an author, and there's his mind. So God showed his heart to each author's mind. And the authors wrote God's inspired words, the words that came from God, okay? God's inspired words. And the scribes made exact copies. Remember, the scribes are the ones who wrote the Bible and made copies. And they wrote exact copies. They had many rules they had to follow. God's Spirit guided people to collect the 66 books, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 6. So God's Spirit guided people to collect the 66 books into one. The scholars, that's how we call people who study the Bible. The scholars translated the Bible into many languages. Okay, so the scholars translated the Bible into many languages, like that, okay? And that's how far we've come so far in our lesson. We know how we got the inspired words written down, how they were copied to multiply the copies, and then how they were translated. Do you remember why they needed to be translated? Well, remember at the Tower of Babel, God confused the people, God confused the people with many languages so that their hearts would not be bad against God. And when they had many languages, they couldn't understand each other. For example, if I say, "L'Éternel est mon berger, je ne manquerai de rien," you might not understand what that means because that was French, okay? Well, there's a lot of people that speak French and they don't speak English and they don't speak Spanish, and they need the Bible in their own language, just like many other languages around the world. People work hard. Even today, people are still working to make the Bible available in other languages. Okay, that's what we've learned so far. Let's do it again together. Let me see here. Let's do it again. Hold on. There we go. So how we got the Bible. How did we get the Bible, class? The Bible came from God. Lower your hands like the word that comes from God. God showed his heart to each author's mind. Authors wrote God's inspired words. And the scribes made exact copies. God's Spirit guided people to collect the 66 inspired books into one. Scholars then translated the Bible into many languages. Okay? Tomorrow we're going to learn the next lesson, and I hope you have a good day. Bye, guys.